Thank you for tuning in, and let's get started with today's afternoon market checklist. For earnings tomorrow, Winnebago has their earnings before open. That's a well-known company that I see before open. And after close, KB Homes, Steelcase, which is chairs for offices, have their earnings. Some news that I found: Twitter board recommends shareholders vote in support of Musk acquisition. So the board of directors on Twitter has unanimously recommended that the social media company shareholders vote to approve its sale to Elon Musk. But they're going to hold another meeting for the vote for the acquisition, which is the final steps in the coming months. However, a date has not been released for the meeting. CEO of worldwide Amazon stores has stepped down, Dave Clark. He's the one who stepped down earlier this month, and the one who is going to take his job is Doug Harrington, and he will be the new CEO. Today launched BITO, the ETF that shorts Bitcoin, unlike its inverse, which is BITO, B-I-T-O. BITO is for people who want to short Bitcoin. 3 drivers are suing Uber and Lyft for fixing prices. This is a violation because they are subcontractors, and they filed it in the San Francisco Superior Court. The stock of Kellogg's spiked today because it plans to split into 3 companies. One company, North American Cereal Company, will focus on US, Canada, and Caribbean. Global Snacking Co. will compass on global snack and international cereals, noodles, and breakfast operations. And Plant Co., the third one, is going to focus on plant-based foods, primarily in North America, because that's where it sees its most market before expanding internationally. And lastly, Lowe's has dipped in its toes into the metaverse because they're going to be making 500 assets available for free on its metaverse hub. This is Lowe's of getting young millennial customers in the door by trying out their furniture and trying to see how it will look in their house through the virtual space. They're using AR and VR to try to get young customers because they say people have been playing Minecraft and Roblox, and in a couple of years they will become potential customers. Now on to crypto. I am awaiting confirmation for this support level to see if it bounces off over here. We'll have to see if it bounces off here and passes this resistance. But if it passes this resistance, then it has to pass this slanted resistance that was drawn a couple of days ago. And remember, always be cautious because we just finished falling due to the CPI report that was reported in the week of June 6th to June 10th. But the stock markets and futures are usually in sync with the Bitcoin market. Now on to the SPY daily chart. We will see that this support has been holding on here. There was a gap up this morning, but the next one is a gap up that was drawn on 6/10. The other gap will be a support that is at 389. And this gap also the same level as a potential support area that is around here. And taking a look at the hourly chart, we will see that this price action has been sideways throughout the day, and it will have to beat this gap that is around 377. So that's another level to keep an eye on. Currently 374 is on the SPY bid and ask. And this level, which is a gap that has been also correlating with the daily chart. This is just a close-up of the price action that was today on the 5-minute. Gap up, trade up all until making a high at 11 a.m. Then decided to trend down a little bit sideways until coming into power hour, it decided to explode a little bit higher than the daily highs, and then trending down a little bit before a small sell-off. More calls were bought today compared to puts, hence the downtrend in this chart. The VIX trended down and bounced off this support level that was drawn a couple of days ago in one of the videos. And in summary, all of the sectors decided to curl up due to today's rally. Sectors that performed the best were energy, consumer staples, healthcare, and the tech sector. And for tomorrow's economic calendar, we have on schedule at 9:30, Jerome Powell testifies on monetary policy at Senate Banking Committee, and at 12:50, Chicago Fed President Charles Evans speaks. Hope all this information serves you well and helps you trade tomorrow, and hope you have a good afternoon. Thank you for watching.